Hi everybody. In this tutorial we are going to go through a tool that allows you to extract a network from a table. The tool is called Table2net and you can find it by googling Table2net, and it's located on the Media Lab GitHub site. The dataset that we're going to use is a list of 5,000 movies and metadata from IMDb. So you have everything from the director name to the movie title. You also have the three main actors. This list is a bit messy, and you have things as the IMDb score, Facebook likes of the actors, and so on. So we're gonna make two different networks. The first being a bipartite network consisting of movies and actors being linked to the movies if they have played in it, and the monopartite network only consisting of actors, so two actors will be linked in the network if they have played together in the same movie. So let's start with the bipartite. Firstly, we're gonna load the CSV table. The program parses the table and previews the parsing here. You see that all the columns are right. If they are not, then check that your CSV file is actually comma separated and that column names are dedicated to it. Second, we're gonna choose the type of network. So we are starting out with a bipartite network of movies and actors. So we're gonna select the first type of node. That's the movie title. The program then previews how it reads the titles. Things to do in Denver when you're dead, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Seems right. If you had more than one movie title in a cell, you could tell the program here to separate, or how the cell is being separated. We're going to use that information in a bit. So you can now select what you want to attribute to the movie titles. For instance, you can attribute the director name and the IMDb score. Let's take the language as well. Great. The second type of nodes is the actors. Now this list is split, so actor 1, so the main actor, is in one column, actor 2 is in another, and actor 3 is in a third. But we also have an option down here saying it's called comma actors, meaning that all of the three actors are combined in the same cell and then separated by a comma. So we'll take that cell and then say it's comma separated. If we only took the actor 1 name, for instance, each movie would only be connected to one actor because there's only one actor, one name. So we'll take the comma actors and then tell Table2net that it's separated by a comma. Use the sample function here to validate that that is also the case. Great. So since it's a bipartite network, so movies and actors, we don't have to set the links. The links will be generated automatically. So whenever an actor is present in the same row as a title, there will be a link between them. So lastly, we have the options to put in a time series so we don't have any temporal data in the set, or it doesn't make sense, and to weight the edges. Now, does it make sense to weight the edges in a bipartite network like this one? So that's obviously a rhetorical question, since this is a pre-recording. In this case, it doesn't make sense, right? Because one actor can only be in one movie one time. So it wouldn't make sense to weight the edges. You could, of course, in another program, argue that it would be valuable to weight the edges by, for instance, the counts of likes that the actor has. So that would, if you attributed that importance in the network, then you could attribute that to the edge weight as well. But that's not possible here. So we're going to build the network, and let's just open it in Gephi and see what we have in the data laboratory. So here we have two types of nodes, movie title and the comma actors, and metadata on the movies, director name, IMDb score, and language. See, in the cases of the actors, there is no metadata here. Alright, now for the second network, we're just going to reload the page. A monopartite network only consisting of actors that are linked if they are acting in the same movie. So two actors are linked if they are acting in the same movie. I'm going to choose the normal, so one type of node. The node should be the comma actors, comma separated. The links between them should be the movie title. So if they play together in the same movie, they will have a link. Great. So here it does make sense to weight the edges. Two actors can obviously play together in multiple different movies and thereby meaningfully have a weight to the edges. Great. That's all for now. Thank you very much for viewing. See you in the next tutorial.